Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ikechukwu Amalaham, Dr. EM Platform. So if you are new to my channel, please click on the subscription button below. I have a lot of video that will help you boost your career in tech. So please don't forget to click on the subscription button and click on the bell icon. Check out the videos that you will need from my channel. So guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make this kind of video, this video with this sound. I'm going to be covering content and creation.
Investment solutions. At Fortis Trades, we believe in the power of informed investing, transparency, and long-term financial growth. Our mission is to provide cutting-edge investment opportunities tailored to meet the needs of both new and seasoned investors. Who we are, founded in the United Kingdom. Fortis Trades is a trusted name.
So click on the subscription button. Let's get started. So we are going to be using Pictory for this our experiment. So firstly, you need to get an account from Pictory. I'll be dropping a link below on how to register on Pictory for free. Normally I use the trial account. So it's best for me. So I do create multiple email to use the account. So if you want to create, they used to give you 14 days trial. Inside the 14 days trial, you can extract more than 10 videos, I think. Then you can change your email, create new. You understand how that is done. So this is if you want to create from URL to video, from AI generated image to video, from image to video, Story is the best that you can use. So if if you want to create an account, you click on the link below, then it will take you to where you create your account. After creating your account, you don't need to put your credit card details, you don't need to put any other things, just go straight and start your editing. So what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to be using ChatGTP to generate my script. I am going to be writing about a company. I'm going to be making a video about a company. I'm just going to be making a video about a company. So the name of the company is going to be Fortress Trader. So I'm going to be generating some prompts on ChatGTP. I want ChatGTP to help me generate the script. So ChatGTP is an AI that you need to enhance. And AI is just like us. Where your knowledge stops, that is where AI knowledge stops. If whatever you tell AI to generate for you, that is what AI is going to generate for you. So I am going to give the ChatGTP a simple prompt to generate for me. I'm just going to tell him to generate about us write-up for Fortress Trader, which is the company I'm going to be creating for, which I'm going to just be using for this video. So I'm just going to give it a simple prompt. Like I said, where your knowledge stops, that is where an AI knowledge stops. Whatever you tell the AI to do for you, that is what the AI is going to do for you. If you limit the AI, the AI will be limited. So look at this prompt I gave AI. Let me see what it's going to generate for me. It's going to generate a simple about us page or about us write-up that you will not want to use. There is no much keyword on it. Even if you want to start using it, it's not going to come out for what you want for what you're going to need. This is just like, let me say, a 30 seconds video, but I don't need this. I am now going to tell ChatGTP what I really want ChatGTP to generate for me. Most people, when they approach ChatGTP, they just give ChatGTP a normal prompt and allow Chat and think that ChatGTP can generate what they have in mind. You have to tell ChatGTP what you really want. You have to be clear and you have to be plain. This is just like your party, your whole body that you just have to talk to and tell him, I need you to generate this, I need you to generate that. And ChatGTP is going to do that for you. So I'm going to be giving ChatGTP a longer and a proper prompt. I'm not going to tell ChatGTP to generate a better and a catchy script for me for this video. So let me see let's follow up with the prompt. So I'm going to be telling ChatGPT to generate a write-up about us write-up for Fortress Trader. So I'm going to be adding more and more lengthy words inside this. So let's go. So, okay, just follow up how I am writing it. I'm creating the prompt. Okay, now I have sent the prompt and you can see it now is different from the first one. You can't compare it with the first one. Like I said, where your knowledge stopped, that is where ChatGPT's own stopped. You can't expect ChatGPT to do better when you are not doing better. Like if you want ChatGPT or any AI generating test to do more, you have to do more. You have to put more prompts. You have to tell the ChatGPT to do, or the AI to do more. You expand your own knowledge to get the knowledge of the AI. You don't just let tell an AI to generate a full sentence for you when you do not put a lot of, when you do not expand and make the AI understand the kind of sentence is generating. So I'm done with the generation of this text. So I am going to be copying it. I'm going to be copying it so that we go to our each story for the creation, for the generation of our video. So from down to up, I will look for a way to copy the full. I will look for a way to copy the full text. So I need to copy the text so I can take it. So guys, like I said, I am going to be going off small from website developing. I am going to be going into more of how to enhance AI and how to use AI for your own business and for your own goal. So I'm copying it now. So if your first time of coming to my channel, please don't forget to click on the subscription button and click on the bell icon. So I'm copying the full text and taking them to my story for my editing. So if you have been following this video from beginning to now, I want to thank you very much for being attentive to this video. And I want you to keep subscribing to my channel. So I will paste I'll paste the word I just I'll paste the word I just copied. So this is my script. This is the settings. So I'm going to okay. So I'm going to proceed with generation of the video. So I'm going to be pausing the video and wait till the video starts again. So I'm done with the create generation of the video. This is the visuals I have. This is all, and this is the script. This is the script section of the video. So you can edit your script from here. Please don't forget to click on the subscription button. I encourage you to do that because I'll be dropping more exclusive videos that will help you to build your career in tech. So this is all the scripts I generated when I was creating this video. So this is my dashboard. This is my editor section. This is where I can edit. This is where I can start my editing, change the visuals, change the sound, apply voiceover, choose the type of size I want, whether landscape or for TikTok or for YouTube or for Instagram, any social media account, they can convert it for you. So we will be checking out the video. This is the video. This is my visual. So you can control it and use it the way you want. So let's check it out. Let's check out the visuals. Let's change this already visual to another visual. So I want to change this to another. I can extra. I can upload video if you need. You can change the background color or the background settings. So, but what I need to change now is the visual of this. I need to remove this and put a new one. So I'm going to look for videos I need.
Oh, you're here. All right, let's just talk this through. No rush, just a good chat to get things clear.
The only thing to do with good advice is to pass it on. It is never of any use to oneself.
Allow the world to live as it chooses, and allow yourself to live as you choose.
About us, Fortis Trades. Welcome to Fortis Trades, the UK's premier investment company committed to helping individuals and businesses grow their wealth through smart, strategic, and secure investment.
So now we have, I'm going to be covering content and create.
Investment solutions. At Fortis Trades, we believe in the power of informed investing, transparency, and long-term financial growth. Our mission is to provide cutting-edge investment opportunities tailored to meet the needs of both new and seasoned investors. Who we are, founded in the United Kingdom. Fortis Trades is a trusted name in the investment industry, offering a range of financial services that empower clients to achieve financial independence. Our team of
So the next thing we are going to be doing now to cover the watermark is opening CapCut, using CapCut to find out the key. So open my CapCut. I'll click on new project. So this just add now this down. Now then so that's the